All right, guys, welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. We're in beautiful Lake Elizabeth in southern Wisconsin, and we have probably what's going to be a really quick review today. This is if you hold it up the right way, the Bass Pro Shops. They call it the trolling motor sleeve. You can see that there. And I think it's just that. It's a sleeve you can put all over your cables on your trolling motor. So we're on the water here. We're going to put this on the Altera up front and see if it's good for traveling or if it's good to keep on all the time. So stay tuned.
Welcome to the outdoors. Welcome to the outdoors.
All right, so at the front of the boat with the Altera, don't mind the background noise. It's a really nice day out here in the lake, so we got a lot of folks out. That's a good thing. We have what you see here. It's just a length of, I'm not sure what you call this fabric, but it's pretty thick, and a Velcro strip on either side here. And it's meant to go over your cables, not the shaft. Although if you wanted to for traveling, maybe you could. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of orientate myself here. Okay, we've gone ahead and installed the sleeve. This happens to be a Minn Kota Altera with a 60-inch shaft. So in my case, I've gone all the way down to the bottom at the base and all the way up to the head. And it's just some Velcro. Takes about a minute to install. No big deal. I'm going to go ahead and grab the remote here. Testing this out. Everything's worked as expected, but I can demonstrate that here real quick. It's a nice clean look. It moves well with the motor. So that's the easy part. I'm going to go ahead and stop the prop, and I'm going to go ahead and twist this all the way around. Kind of stress it out a bit. You can see it stays with the cords pretty well. Go ahead and go to the other side here. And it stays with it pretty well. So if you got your spot lock on and you're a little worried about it, it's going to stay with your cords, not be an issue. All right, we are back on dry land. I was able to take a moment and redo this a little bit and kind of tidy it up a little bit. It is pretty easy to install, as you saw, but not hanging off the side of the boat. You know, I'm able to take a little bit more time and make sure that it's a nice clean fit on there. So that's what she looks like. Certainly it does work with the auto deploy and auto stow, so no issues there. It's kind of a nice look, a little different. I think they have two different colors. There's black one, I think it's a red that's available. The black, I think, kind of just looks a little cleaner in my case, even though I have a red boat. I'm sure red would look pretty good too. But you guys tell me what you think. Is this worth it? Is it not worth it? Is it gimmicky? I think it's kind of nice. It's pretty inexpensive. But leave your comments below. And we'll see you soon.